Welcome to my channel. Today I'll explain you about what is Testrail, and I'll give a quick introduction on like what can be achieved using Testrail, and if you have not used before, how to get started using Testrail by using the Testrail version. So let's go through like quick introduction. What is Testrail exactly? Testrail is a test management tool. What is test management means? Whenever a development team is done with their code changes or functionality development, the code will be given to QA so that QA can validate and all the high priority bugs fixed before releasing it to customers. So during QA phase, QA team will be writing their test cases and then executing them, creating defects, then make sure like those high priority defects are fixed before releasing it to customers. So by using Testrail, you can basically create test cases and execute those test cases. When it comes to defects, Testrail doesn't support logging defects, but it has very good integration with other defect management tools like Jira, etc. We'll cover that in later videos. And then the next part is like how to get started with Testrail. So let's quickly go through that. So just go to Google and then search for Testrail and then click on get started with Testrail. So here you can see that try Testrail or try for free also here. Once you click on that, it will navigate you to their test website where you can start with 14-day free trial version. Testrail Cloud is something, it is managed by Testrail company itself, whereas Testrail server is something where you can actually download Testrail version and pay based on the contract. So let's go with like Testrail Cloud version. So web address, we can give the website like how you want your Testrail website is. For example, I'll give website name here, then provide first name, last name, country, you can give email, you can give your personal email ID, organization, you can give like it is not, you don't have to give any company name here, you can give your personal. Expected users, you can give like how many users you want to use for this Testrail version. For me, I am giving 5, and then phone number is optional. Once you provide all the required details like web address, first name, last name, country, email, and organization and expected users, agree these options, and then I would like to learn about test modality, so you can uncheck it, and then let's say like create Testrail trial version. Once we click on that, it will send an email with the Testrail website version and all. It takes some time to create test website for us. Let's go to your email. So here is where like you will get like, hey, please confirm your Testrail account. Once you go there, so click on confirm trial version. So it will say like email address confirmed. It takes some time for the website to create. So whatever website details we provided on the Testrail trial version, with the same prefix, by adding testrail.io, you will get like your new Testrail account that is valid for 14 days. So once the account is created, we can we can log in with the default password provided, and then I'll help you like how to change your password once the account is created. Will be navigated to the new Testrail website created for us, and then here is the here are the first three set of screens where we'll be providing the information. So we can basically skip these, and these are not mandatory. Which tiles would you like to use Testrail? Which tools would you like to connect to Testrail? Let's select Jira example and then say done. So this is as soon as the new account is created, so basically there are no projects created at all, and then will be by default the newly created users will have admin access. And then if you want to change the password, we can click on my settings here and click on my settings, and then you can provide the password here. Then say save settings, and then here when you try to change the password, it will ask you for older password. Just go to your email and it must be having one default password. Just select the default password and then come here and then select okay. So now you can see successfully saved your settings, and then here you can change the name, and then if you want to change the time zone, you can do all the changes whatever is there here.